In this video, I would like to talk about the patent ingredients of 7th edition of Portier oral live stem cells. Imagine stem cells now is in capsule, live stem cells. So for 17 years, it has been proven that this product can cell regenerate and repair all body damage, not only one but all. So we have to be very conservative and low profile when we position the active properties of these ingredients. So saying anti-cancer maybe seem as therapeutic or something that a doctor would prescribe. So usually we just explain the product like this. So right now in the service with the 5 patented ingredients in the 7th edition, the Cervicenta from the female deer, no killing of the product in the process. So we have to wait for the deer to give birth and then we get the placenta and there the Cervicenta. 100:1 means that per every 1 part of solvent fluid carrier 100 mg of the 99% placenta extracts, and then the Velvicenta is 50:1 means that per every 1 part of solvent 50 mg of extracts from the blood supply of the tip of the antler. Okay, and then the N-Ginseng New Zealand ginseng, it is 150% more effective than the normal variant of ginseng in the market. It is from the volcanic soil of New Zealand, grown for 10 years before the company used it to put in our 7th edition. So Oxertone is rare. It is a type of ganoderma that helps with reversing aging, or it actually controls the aging of our internal organs. Can you imagine if we reach 100-year-old because of this ingredients in Purecure, because we're taking Purecure stem cells? Then every patent is a very strong selling point, actually, according to our CEO. He said, we do not know what will happen, we cannot tell the future, so it is very important that we do our best every single day. When a person tells you that Purecure is bad, that person is stupid. You and I know that there are millions of consumers of Purecure all over the world, not only in the Philippines, not only in Asia, but all over the world. Will you believe one person versus all the millions of consumers? Similarly, when you read negative comments about Purecure in the internet, will you believe one blog or believe all the health and safety certificates Purecure has? That it is sale for consumption. So what are you going to believe? The blog, the person who said negative or bad about Purecure, or the certificates that we have from New Zealand and Singapore, and the FDA certificate in every country that we have branches? Okay, so if you have trusted taking medicine, synthetic drugs for the longest time, why not trust Purecure and see the result? This is all natural, so nothing to worry. It will not harm your liver, it will not harm your kidney. At the same time, you will share your experience, your benefit of taking the product to your friends and family. They will also buy or franchise the business. You earn slowly, you get the money, you get the money return if you share to at least 8 people who will also buy at least 1 set therapy for each. So this is a big help for those who cannot afford illness. Okay, try Purecure. So much savings of money, so much savings from stress and time taking care of sick family members.